Today, I'm going to help you fix the Face ID required stolen device protection is turned on error on your Android device. If you're facing this issue, don't worry, I'll walk you through some solutions. So let's get started. First, let's quickly understand what this message means. It usually appears when your device's security features are triggered, often due to changes in settings or when the device detects potential unauthorized access. Now let's start with the simplest solution, restarting your device. Sometimes a quick reboot can resolve temporary glitches. Press and hold the power button, then tap restart or reboot. Next, check your Face ID settings. Go to settings and then look for security or biometrics and security. Make sure your Face ID or facial recognition is set up correctly. If you're still facing the issue, try removing and re-adding your Face ID. Tap on Face Recognition and select Remove Face. Once removed, restart your device again, then go back to the same settings to set up your Face ID fresh. Sometimes third-party apps can interfere with device's security. Go to Settings, then Security, and look for device admin apps. Make sure there are no suspicious apps with admin access. If you find any, disable their access and check if the issue persists. If none of the above solutions work, you might consider a factory reset. This should be a last resort as it will erase all your data. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix the Face ID required stolen device protection is turned on error on your Android device.